Hi, my name is Boris Kamenický and I'm from company Elko EP. Now I would like to show you how I connect the application Inels Home Control to our showroom in headquarters Elko EP Holešov. So this is my iPhone. I already download the application. I press the icon. Now I see that I must first set up the IP address. I press plus. I can create name, for example HDA. IP address of the showroom is 217.197.144.56. The port I will write there the public port 50260. I confirm it. Now I go back to settings, press the force data download. Now you see the data are downloading to my iPhone. The data was successfully downloaded. I confirmed it. Now everything saved. Now I see that I can change the rooms, room 1, room 2. Here I have the buttons where I see the temperature and so on. I can control the light. Now I switch on the light. Now I switch off the light. When is the light on, I can by long pressing regulate the intensity and the brightness of the light. I can control much more many things like shutters, like lights, halogen lamps, LED lights. I can control also the heating, air conditioning and so on. And of course I can make also and control the scenarios in my home. So that's it.